Hello, everybody. My name is Aaron. I am with Group 99, CS440, and I'll just be going over the Project 1 uh, progress so far, and I'll be showcasing it. So, this is the GitHub repository where our files are stored. And of course, there's two folders, one for front end and one for back end. And mainly for this project, what we did was a note-taking application. So, a lot of the code is mostly in JavaScript and HTML for now. And I'll just be going over some of the files and explain what they do. So let's go over the backend folder first. Here are the files listed in the backend folder. Of course, there's going to be database.js is basically the file that handles the database connection, and that also creates a notes table. There's also server.js is the file that creates the backend server and also handles the request from the front end files. And there's also notes.db. Basically, this is just a SQLite database file. There's package.json. This is basically a file that contains the project's dependencies and the configurations. And there's also another one, package lock.json. This is the file that uh, locks the versions of the dependencies, I would say. So then let's go to front end. In front end, there's really only one file that's needed right now. That's index.html. Basically, this is the file that contains a user interface and sends a request to the backend. Uh, Now, let me showcase this on the terminal side. Here's a terminal. This is the part that shows it is that I'm running it on my server. You see it goes in my download the folder app, and then it's running the server. Now let me showcase it actually. Sorry, this right here. So here is the actual the result so far. You guys saw how it was running on the server and everything, so it works. So the Notes app, let's say note number one. Let's add that note. Let's add another note. Here it is, and you can delete it. That's basically the functionality, and that is it. Thank you guys.